Today we discuss theorem related to areas of similar triangles. Theorem 8.6 in SSC textbook. So what is the statement of theorem related to areas of similar triangles? Look at the statement. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So what is the theorem related to areas of similar triangles? This is the statement. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So first of all, read the statement thoroughly. Read it thoroughly. So what is given there? Two triangles are there. How many triangles are there? Two triangles are there. Moreover, those two triangles are similar. Those two triangles are similar. So while drawing figure, you have to take two triangles which are similar to each other. I am going to draw figure. Take two triangles as ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR are the two triangles which are similar to each other. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So you already know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. So here corresponding angles are nothing but angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So these are the corresponding angles which are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB by PQ. If you take AB, its corresponding side PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Since two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove that ratio of areas of these two similar triangles. Ratio of areas of these two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. If you take AB, its corresponding side is nothing but PQ. So AB by PQ square, AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC, its corresponding side QR, BC by QR whole square. Next AC, its corresponding side PR, AC by PR whole square. So to that, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square, that equal to BC by QR whole square, that equal to AC by PR whole square. To prove this one, so how to do construction? What is the construction part? The construction part is nothing but draw AD perpendicular to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC and draw PS perpendicular to QR. Draw PS perpendicular to QR. What is the construction part? Draw AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Now we go for the proof. So first of all you have to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. First of all you have to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So take the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, you know that already. What is the, how to find the area of a triangle? Half into base into its corresponding height. So if in this triangle ABC, base is nothing but BC, base is nothing but BC, its corresponding height is nothing but AD. In triangle PQR, base is nothing but QR and its corresponding height is nothing but PS. So first of all take area, find area of triangle ABC. Half into base is nothing but BC, its corresponding height is nothing but AD. Half into BC into AD by, in triangle PQR the base is nothing but QR and its corresponding height is nothing but PS. So half into base QR, height PS, QR into PS, half of cancel, that equal to BC by QR into AD by PS. Let it be first equation. So ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is nothing but BC by QR into AD by PS. But what do I get here? BC by QR whole square. Now look at the two triangles ADB and triangle PSQ. Take separately a better thing, small figures. In these two triangles you can observe here ADB is 90 and PSQ is 90, and moreover angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle Q. So in these two triangles, two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle. Two angles of one triangle equal to two angles of another triangle. So in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, I drawn separately here. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Means because already it is in the given data. Next, angle ADB 90, angle PSQ 90. Of course, you can see here also. Angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ is equal to 90 degrees. So, in two triangles, two angles of one triangle equal to two angles of another triangle. Already learnt AA similarity. By AA similarity, triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. By AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. So already know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So AD by PS is equal to, you can AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ, or take three sides. AD by PS is equal to DB by SQ. DB by SQ is equal to AB by PQ. AB by PQ. Take these two only. AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ. But from given data, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. From given data, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So in place of here, in place of AB by PQ, I am substituting BC by QR. So AD by P S is equal to, in place of AB by PQ I am writing BC by QR. BC by QR, since AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now substituting AD by PS equal to BC by QR, substitute this AD by PS in first equation. Substituting AD by PS is equal to BC by QR in 1. So substituting area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AD by PS. In place of AD by PS I am substituting BC by QR. BC by QR. So BC by QR into BC by QR nothing but BC by QR whole square. BC by QR whole square. So and now we got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR whole square. But BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So in place of BC by QR one time we can keep AD by PQ and one more time we can keep AC by PR. Then what you get? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, AC by PR whole square. Hence proved.
ఇది ప్రజల టీవీ.